put a staple in there, get that out. Okay. Got the old fast tool out, the Rotex 125, random orbital, has a variable speed, also has a locked head, so you give that a flick across and you can actually grind with that. Wow, I just found a nice little section here. In about 10 minutes, it's starting to dry off nicely. So this is where all that rotten plasterboard was. So I dug it all out and I'll let it dry down for a day. So now I'm just plastering. I'm using 20-minute base coat. So to do these window frames, we're going to need a couple of things. One is I use a 63mm brush. Now this is a Unipro. A brand new one. Whenever you're doing stain, always go brand new. I've got the Evo tape to go over the skirting, that's for a bit after. I've got a brand new paint pot. Okay, I'm not sure what you guys call it, but anyhow, I have a brand new paint pot, and I have the Cabots Satin Clear, which is a single pack, and it's a polyurethane for doors, windows, trim and furniture, hard wearing, durable varnish in a satin. Now this is only an interior paint, interior clear, so you don't want to use it outside. If you want to use it outside, you use something like this, Feats & Watson weatherproof varnish in a satin. This is what I do my front doors and stuff with. So if we were going to do the front door, we will be using that stuff, which is UV resistant, used on boats and stuff. It's beautiful to use. That's basically it. There you go. Not painting all of it. this carpet's going to be replaced, so it's no problem. So I'm just going to mop that back up basically. This is water-based enamel in the Taubmans Professional there in Beige Royale half. So I'm just undercoating these doors, trying to get some colour back. That's the colour they are. This is the colour I'm painting them, undercoat. So I'm using a Precision Maximum Strength Adhesive Primer on these gloss enamel doors. They're colonial doors, so they have grooves on them, so I'm expecting it to stick. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just spraying the inserts with my gun and then just rolling the other one with a mohair roller sleeve, and then I'll do these edges. My main concern is I don't have to brush that insert. Yeah. Now it is sissing a little bit, which isn't a good sign. It means there's some kind of contaminant on there. So I'm hoping that it's not going to be a problem. It's not bad, but it's just in a few spots. And if it doesn't take to it tomorrow, I will be hitting it with some oil-based undercoat. I've got to put sticks underneath these yet. I'm just putting this drop sheet in behind just to protect. I shouldn't get anything on those skirtings, but it's just there in case. I'll be doing the same to all these. But yeah, it's a job. I mean, there's a few in here, there's some more in here, 4, I don't know how many in here, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's just in them, 10, 11, 12, front door, back door, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 doors. So there's quite a few doors.
Trying to get my attention, trying to get your redemption, but now that I'm gone you want me back. Yeah, I gave you everything, gave you a diamond ring to watch it fall from your head. I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret. I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret. And I don't wanna love again, 'cause I'll be living with regret.
Well, everybody knows I use Dulux Sterigard for my gloss enamel. Now, I'm just trying another one that our local Bunnings keeps, and they don't stock them in the actual Taubmans store themselves, but it's called Taubmans Professional. It's a water-based enamel. Now, this is actually comes out in a gloss version. It's a white base, so I thought I'd just try it on this house, get 4 litres of it, and see how it go. Now, there happened to be 20 doors in this house, I didn't realise, so I'm going to have to get another can. Now, when you have your power pass with Bunnings, you automatically get 20% off this Taubmans Professional. 20% off that Taubmans Professional. So this one here was about $60 something. Now, I didn't really want to do a video on it until I knew what it was like, but I'm going to show you something that's just blown me out of the water, and it has a couple of little issues, but it's so smooth to use. It's used like using gloss Duragard or like gloss Weather Shield. Now that's just one coat of it on that door. Okay, one coat. It's obviously got the undercoat on it, and one coat of the professional. Now a couple more after its first coat. It runs like a bastard. Okay, so be prepared. Like I said, the tip that I did it with wasn't the correct tip, and all I'm doing is spraying my inserts like I do, and then I roll them with the microfiber sleeve. The gloss level on this thing is crazy. It's like gloss enamel. Seriously, like gloss enamel. How awesome is that? That's undercoat plus one coat of this paint, and just done with a microfiber roller. I'm going to be putting another one on there, but that's it. The sheen, I can just about see myself in it. I'm sure after the next coat, it's just gonna blow me away.